The PTZOptics Studio 4K, the first Hive-Linked camera from PTZOptics with 4K for under $1,000. With Hive integration, you get cloud-based control from anywhere in the world, manage multiple cameras remotely, automate workflows, and enable real-time collaboration, ideal for live streaming, hybrid events, and large-scale productions. This seamless integration makes the Studio 4K a powerful addition to any production setup. The Studio 4K is the perfect companion to a Move SE or Move 4K multi-camera setup, giving you a fully integrated, high-quality video solution. Whether you need a static wide shot or a dynamic PTZ angle, this camera completes your setup with professional precision. Equipped with NDI HX2 and power over Ethernet, the Studio 4K allows you to install with just a single Cat6 cable for power from your switch and AV transmission on the network. Whether you're integrating into an existing IP workflow or building out a new AV over IP system, this camera is ready to perform. This camera also supports multiple output options including SDI, HDMI, USB, and IP streaming, ensuring seamless compatibility with virtually any production environment. Designed to deliver stunning 4K 60p video, the Studio 4K ensures every frame is sharp and vibrant. With options for 12x or 20x optical zoom, you can capture highly detailed shots even from up to 90 feet away, making it perfect for live events, corporate boardrooms to government meetings, sports coverage to live streaming. The PTZOptics Studio 4K delivers the quality, flexibility, and reliability for your needs. Elevate your production today. Order your PTZOptics Studio 4K at Videoguys.com.